I'm so mid trying to do a demonstration of Younique makeup application. Baby just woke up, now baby's back to sleep. I'm continuing on. I've already applied my foundation, my BB mineral powder, and some blusher, and I'm getting ready to do eyes, which is super duper exciting. I'm going to do just kind of a simple, how would you use the pigments to highlight and contour your eye area. And everybody's eye is differently, so the way you're going to do it is going to be custom to you. My all-time favorite pigment that I use is actually Curious and Sexy. Go back and forth. It's Sparkly. It's one of our shimmers, and I absolutely love it. And the first thing I do is I'm apply it right there into the corner, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to highlight my eyebrows. I'm going to do that on both sides real quick. Shh. Okay. I am actually going to use Confidence. It's really beautiful. Charles, can you please go there? I'm making a video. Thanks. For my crease. And I'm going to use our crease brush. Makes it really, really easy to apply. It's going to look kind of funny at first, but then we go back and we blend. All right. Yeah. Okay, so it kind of looks funny because I haven't blended, but watch, it's magic. I'm going to go back to Curious. And I use Curious to tame it down and to blend it in. Notice you don't want to go too dark towards the center of your eyes with the darker color, because nobody wants to highlight dark circles under your eyes or on the side of your eyes. See that?
Mommy.
Yes, Henry. Mommy's making a video.
No, Mommy.
I am.
No.
Alright. So, really easy, right? You just have to not be intimidated by it. 3 minutes. Here we go. Okay. Now this would be the time if you are going to want liner, that you're going to use liner. I'm not going to use liner today. Don't feel like it. I use one of our darker pigments for liner. Spray it with the rose water, or spray it in the little cup with the rose water, and you have liner. And this is actually way easier to apply than it would be a pencil or a liquid liner. All right. My favorite time of makeup application is when I get to play with my 3D fiber lashes. And I tell you what, it really is kind of addicting. How deep can we go? All right, I'm ready. First thing I'm going to do, you can use your, depending on how dark and bold you want, you can use your regular mascara first. I don't find it necessary, so I don't, although I do like to curl. So I'm going to curl the lashes. You do one eye at a time. You need to apply the fibers before the transplanting gel has dried. So. Now, when you put on your pigments, you probably get some of your top lashes, so you're going to want to make sure that you apply the transplanting gel to the top lashes of your lashes and to the bottom. This is a little bit trickier because I'm doing it. Charles, I'm making a video, honey. I will help you in 3 minutes. Alright, transplanting gel is on. Now I'm going to switch over to my super fun fibers. Now, you apply your fibers while the transplanting gel is still wet. And you repeat the steps. Fibers, transplanting gel, depending on how long you want your lashes. Also, when you go back with the transplanting gel, you're also smoothing out and lengthening the fibers. Super fun. Super fun! With the 3D fiber lash. Get on my eyes. Now, one of the most awesome things is you can go as big or as little as you want. Everybody has different desires. Some women like them to touch their eyebrows. Totally cool. Whatever floats your boat. On rainy days, I like to see how big I can go just for the heck of it, and it's kind of fun. So pretty. When you are done, you always end with the transplanting gel. That's going to seal the green tea 5%. There we go. Wow. Super awesome. All right. I always use my 3D fiber lash as my last step. Really simple, easy. If I wasn't talking through it, then it probably would have taken me 5 minutes, but I was. All of my lucrative lip glosses are cat. This is turning into a comedy. Lucrative lip gloss. This is Lucky. I like Lucky, although I have a tendency to really go for lethal and brighter colors, but it's all I have inside right now. It feels really good to put on. And it's got its own little mirror, which is kind of cool. I'm ready to go. I'm in my jammies from here down, but I look fabulous from here up. Back to the freeing circus of my house. Anyways, this product goes on so lovely that it takes hardly any effort at all, and I feel really great. And now I can go do the dishes and do the laundry. Take care of my hooligans. Ta-da! Thanks so much. Bye.